Teleflora.
In this video, we will discuss the correct way to place a 24-hour order when you cannot get the storefront to populate. There may be times the storefront will simply not populate. In this case, you will greet your caller by saying, "Thank you for calling. This is Amanda. How can I help you today?" Next, you will need to ask the caller what number they dialed to reach us. Just ask, "May I ask what number you dialed to reach us today?" Followed by, "May I have the name of the shop that you're calling?" Once you have this information, try to enter in the phone number of the shop into the Shop ID phone number field on the 24-hour system. If the storefront does not populate, you'll need to enter the shop ID of 123-12300 into the shop ID phone number field. This will take you to our 24-hour fallback form, and you will proceed with taking the order. Now, does this screen look a little familiar? At this point, you will continue to fill out the order as usual, but with one very simple important note. You must include the number the customer dialed and the name of the shop they were trying to reach in the special instructions field on the recipient page. This will give us the information we need to reach the correct florist to fill the order, and will also give you credit for the sale. Now, if the order is urgent, please notify your supervisor, lead, or floor support immediately. If the caller just wants to send a message to the florist, you will follow the same process by getting the phone number they dialed and the shop they are trying to reach. Let's do a quick example of this process. For training purposes, I will put in the phone number of 1-800-440-6876. So as you can see, the storefront did not populate. At this point, we'll want to go to the fallback site by typing in 123-12300 and click Enter. In this example, we're going to send a message. Click on the message link and place the message for the shop as usual. However, at the very end of your message, please list the number that the caller dialed and the name of the shop. Again, if this is urgent, please notify your supervisor, lead, or floor support. Now let's take a listen to a sample call and watch the example.
Thank you for calling. This is Christina. May I please have the phone number that you've dialed to reach us?
Sure, I called 800-965-0067.
If you put the number into the ID phone field and the screen populates, you will continue the call as usual by continuing with the next question technique, like this.
What is the zip code of the address where the flowers will be delivered?
If the storefront still does not populate, enter the fallback number 123-12300 and then answer the call like this.
Thank you so much. What is the zip code of the address where the flowers will be delivered?
You will then proceed with the order as normal. Again, please remember to place the name of the shop and the number the caller dialed to reach the florist in the special instructions field. And of course, let the caller know that they will receive an email confirmation with the total amount of their order. So you need to ensure that you get that email address of the caller, or we will not be able to give them their final total because tax and delivery will not be added until the order is processed to the correct shop. As always, if you have any questions or problems, please check Iris Help, chat support, or talk to the floor support help or the help desk. Thanks so much. Great job.
Teleflora.